Yeah. That's right. Who the fuck they talking about? This shit up like Lego blocks. All these chains on. All P-Fix stuff. Oh, hold on, oh my god. Big Bang Press, yikes. Kinda hard playing both parts. Don't make me crash out, I really leave them on mark. Told me let me see her tits, baby, I'm too raw. Dropped, took more than 5 rounds, guess I'm too hot. I'm from the ever with no one in my crew talk. So west side, call me death row, no pity. I don't play with these little boys. Treat a bitch like a bitch, yeah, I'm too short. What he think he doing with them little toys? Leave his brain in the air, fuck what he doing. If it's pain, clear it out, word the mouth. I don't know what he's speaking about. Speed off, took the scenic route. The homie took the cheese, now his nickname Mickey Mouse. None of the rats buckle back in my city now. Leave that alone, $2 bitch. Bitch. Bitch, yeah. Top 8 blocks. 160 seconds, nigga, not 63rd. Yeah. OES entertainment. 4 niggas in the key, rolling out there with kids. Hold on. Wait. Chill, we ain't talking that. Walk back like the government. Pop it up like the government. Businesses we cover that. Fuck with our governance. Government. Yeah. That government. So the fuck you come from? So do this, I'm done something. Sometime the sun is coming. Sometime my son is on. Big bang. Yeah. Different drop, pops on, not pops on. Steady, big work when it's necessary. Another mill and I'm ready. Ready, go away. Covers, old, messy shit. One over. Cage, disgusting. Faggot. There we go. G6 to the G6, you already know. Niggas saying that we couldn't make it out, look at us, we get placements on the us like in basements. When I club, we collaborations, that release, we start to chase them, they haven't catched us, we say the races, don't give you back up, reputation is someone, baby, my dedication. That's what in my blood, that's what in my brother, that's what in my brothers. All of my niggas verified on suicide, we was born to die. Baby girl, I see the tears, I can't cry, but I'm shut fire. 2 cups, 4 bitches, handy women, tequila bar, went for shift gears, 10 speeds, 1,000 horses, 40 Yankees, I'm all American. What you staring at, what you staring at, folks you can't flash, yeah, they hang fast. Focus on the mission. They copy when you reaching for the billions. We don't see no sellers. We don't see no sellers. Lambo, green rocks in my ears. Yeah, I pull candles from the bando. Every year we light a candle. Nigga pop, pick your man up. They rebels themselves and roll around their world. But I'm right, that boy raising hell. And it's me and Molly, 28 through the L. Let him fly for the 19, wildin' out like Weinstein. East side fiend, I can pipe dreams. Catch me at them nice scenes, 10-17, so icy, 20 pack, get out the hood and get big. Thought that we couldn't make it, that's too basic. Now it's all just with niggas in the basement. You scum related, bitch you fucking made it. Oh, I'm your favorite, bitch you fucking made it. Part of the best, yeah. If ain't only us, you ain't part of the best, yeah. Yikes, if ain't only us, you ain't part of the best. Sent a large amount, talking about equipment used to wholesale. See how I pitch it, now we rent the land. Cool with Uncle Sam, get it how you can. 12 skinnies got me out the jam. Faking understand everything I'm right on. Holla, moving that white song, G-spot, getting my dice on. G-spot, getting your wife off hot. Got my block jumping, when they caught the only escort it. But alright, something go wrong, you can lose your life. Premium insurance worth more when I die. Look, I get money from my day-to-day struggle. Remember them days they dubbed you? I stack a check on an AP, Jesus speaks in the Cuban Lake. Yeah, wake in the morning, I count on my checks. Call the accountant and tell them to check. Money look good, so we charter the jet. If ain't only us, you ain't part of the best. Yeah. If ain't only us, you ain't part of the best. Yeah. If ain't only us, you ain't part of the best. Made it out the gutter. Killers and traffickers. Do it for our mothers. Hold on. Dead for our brothers. Regardless of faction. If you're scared, get the cover. That's all my practice. Wake in the morning, I count on my checks. Call the accountant and tell them to check. Money look clear, so we charter the jet. If ain't only us, you ain't part of the best. Yeah. If ain't only us, you ain't part of the best. Yeah. If ain't only us, you ain't part of the best. Used to hit them licks, wasn't worth the shits. Fuck them other niggas, never read the kid. Used to hold it down, now I'm upping on them. Ever see you round? Yeah, I'm up. Got your adjusters, just follow my mess. One just for storage, other two investments. Think that corner should apply pressure. Real estate came a long way from flipping mix. Now we flipping cribs, state to state. Could've bought a Richie. Instead I copped 2 condos, 250 clip. That's Will Fargo. All my cars paid for. Nothing here borrowed. Presidential business, I give it your time. Look at that property. You don't belong to me. Get back to the streets. This ain't for the streets. This ain't for the streets. Why don't you bother me? Look at that property. You don't belong to me. Get back to the streets. This ain't for the streets. This ain't for the streets.